At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, October 9, 2023, Mullen's annual meeting fails to meet Nasdaq requirements. Mullen also announced the appointment of a new Chief Strategic Officer. Nasdaq has sent Mullen Automotive a written notice for failing to hold an applicable annual meeting. Mullen held an annual meeting on August 3. Still, Nasdaq noted that the meeting failed to meet its standards. Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock opened in the red after the electric vehicle company announced that it had received a written notice from Nasdaq's Listing Qualifications Department. The notice stated that Mullen failed to meet the Nasdaq's annual meeting standard, as it did not hold an applicable annual meeting for the fiscal year ended September 30, 2023. If you recall, Mullen held an annual meeting on August 3. However, Nasdaq argues that the meeting did not satisfy its standards because Mullen did not allow its shareholders to discuss company affairs with management. This is a requirement of Nasdaq Listing Rule AM 5620. While the meeting was deemed ineligible under Nasdaq standards, all of the proposals that were approved during the meeting will remain in effect. Mullen's annual meeting fails to meet Nasdaq requirements. In response, Mullen will present its plan to regain compliance with the annual meeting rule at its previously scheduled bid price rule hearing. On September 6, Mullen requested a hearing in front of the Nasdaq hearing panel for failing to trade above $1 for at least 10 consecutive business days before the deadline of September 5. The exact date of the hearing was not disclosed in Mullen's recent filing documenting its annual meeting written notice. Still, the requested hearing will allow Mullen stock to remain listed on the Nasdaq until the hearing panel makes its decision. Mullen appoints Marianne McInerney as Chief Strategy Officer. This morning, the EV company announced that it had selected Marianne McInerney as its new Chief Strategy Officer. As CSO, McInerney will be engaged in growth opportunities and strategic initiatives for Mullen's portfolio of vehicles. Mullen is a strategically driven organization and its product line of advanced EVs for both commercial and consumer audiences are unrivaled, said McInerney. When I combine Mullen's product innovation and strategy with their U.S. assembly and manufacturing facilities and well-curated team, Mullen has a competitive EV story, and I am excited to put my experience and relationships with fleets and dealers to drive value across the organization. McInerney held several government-related roles prior to joining Mullen, which should help her in her role of overseeing state and federal government affairs. She has almost 20 years of experience in the automotive sector, and last worked as Centro Electric Group's Chief Marketing Officer, according to her LinkedIn. Mullen stock is down by about 99% year-to-date and 5% today. Thanks for watching.